Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to be doing some Roblox. So what we will actually be doing is we will actually be having a character, and then now if you step on the blue block, so let's step on it, as you can see my walk speed is really slow, and this can be off. It doesn't have to be on a part, but everywhere I go it's really slow and my jump is really low. But if I go on the red block, as you can see, I run faster than Flash and my jump is like higher than Batman's boost. So let's get started. So for this, it's actually really easy. It's kind of actually fun, you know, it's really fun. It's because like you go like this. Oh, I'm gonna fall off. Oh, I'm gonna. Oh, you see that? That's pure skill right there. Okay, so let's just get into this. So all you need is you can have a spawn pad. You know, I don't really care about that. So let me just duplicate this spawn pad. Let me just scale this like this. Let me just make it, actually, let me go over here. Okay, so here's my spawn pad, and I'm gonna open a part, so click on part. This is gonna be my block. So the one I stand on, and this can make me fast, that's gonna be red. The one that's gonna make me slow, that's gonna be blue. You can make it any color. And now what you wanna do is you just wanna click on the red one, click plus, script. And now what you wanna do is you just want to what you want to do is you want to copy this code. So now what you want to do is you want to copy this code. So in this script you can rename it. So you click on it to a slow block. I don't know, and then you can like and then what you do is you write function. And what a function is a function is basically a loop every time you reference the function. So function slow down. So slow down is the function name, and we have to write part. So if you're watching this now, just copy this code. So when you write part in brackets after, because the thing we're standing on is a part, you know, it's a part. When we click on part, it makes one of these. So that's why we have to reference it as part. And then when we do local humanoid, what local humanoid is doing is it's basically creating a little variable, local, as a variable. And humanoid is basically something to reference your avatar. So if you actually play, and as you can see, this is my avatar right here. This is called a humanoid in the developer side. And now if you were to go to the properties, if you go to start a player, okay, so it's not there. Let's go to players, and as you can see my name is here. So my name on Roblox is ProKiller151, and if we click this arrow, if you go play scripts or whatever, so basically this is called a humanoid. So this is basically a humanoid, right? When I go like this in my character in the game, that's just to like you know, that this script in my character, because when you play a game every character has the same script. The only thing that's different in the code of the avatar is how it looks like, right? That's the only thing that's different. So this is a humanoid basically. So that's a humanoid. And now part.parent, find first child, humanoid. So this doesn't really have an explanation, but the only way to really explain it is you're basically referencing the part as a humanoid. So after that, then you're going to write an if statement. If the humanoid, in other sense, if the character, then, so what it's saying is, if character, then, so what this means is, if it's a part that's touching this block, it won't work, because the code is, if it has to be humanoid, it has to be humanoid. Otherwise, if we don't want it to be humanoid, if we want it to be anything, then we just get rid of the if statement. But we're saying it has to be a humanoid. So if a humanoid, if character, then, okay, so we know it's a character, and then everything in the if statement, the code is true. So the humanoid, the character dot walk speed is equal to 5. And the humanoid character dot jump height is equal to 2. So obviously this is for the slowdown, and then at the end, obviously there's this end and end. That's just for, this end is for the if statement, and this end is for the function. So now at the end, there's script.parent.touch connect slowdown. Okay, so this is a lot to take in. So what is this saying? So this is saying the script.parent. So what is the script.parent? So the script we are in now is this script over here. The script we're in now is this script, the slow block script. The parent is this one, is this. This is the parent, because as you can see, as soon as we click this arrow, anything in the part is counted as a child. So all the children, the adult is the part. This is the parent. So this is the child, this is the parent. So as this is a script, it's saying the script's parent, which is the part, dot touched. What dot touch means is if the part, this thing here, gets touched, then connect slow down. Slow down meaning connect the function, because slow down is the function, that's the name of the function. So what this is saying is, as soon as the script's parent is touched, meaning the script's parent, which is a part, so the parent is touched only by a humanoid, because remember it's if humanoid, so only if the parent, which is the part, is touched only by a humanoid, then connect the function. So in the coding language Lua, you have to connect the functions, otherwise it won't work. So that's basically it. And now if we were to try this, this should work. And also check out my GitHub. Check out my GitHub. I have the code link in here, so you just click on it. My GitHub is my channel name, so Yusuf Codes, the same. And go to my GitHub and download the file, and you'll have this. So as you can see, our walk speed is really, really slow, and our jump height is really, really low. Look at that. So now all we need to do is, we have a script in this part. Now all you need to do is just click on this script, right click, copy, click on this part. Now we know this is the part, right click on this and paste into, and then double click, and you can change this. You can change the function if you really want to speed up. But the thing is, that doesn't really matter. The only thing is the speed and all that. So I can make my speed up, 75, and my jump height 50. And let's see what that does. I think that's too much, because at the beginning, when I stepped on the big red one, at first, when I first showed you the example, I went really, really fast. But I think that was about 50. So 75. That's going to be a lot. So I'll just wait for my character to load. Where's my leg? Where's my leg? Okay, there it is. So I go on the red one. Oh, I walk really slow, I jump really slow. Okay, for this, I'm going to need a big boost. Whoa. I run really fast. And my jump is it's massive. Look at that. So, I'm feeling a bit happy. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to... Oh, wait, let me just change this to fast block. Just then, when you have loads of code and scripts, it just becomes easier when you name them. Let me change this to 500 and change this to 300. Or comment right now, how fast do you think this is gonna go? I haven't even tested this yet. I actually thought the first block was less. But clearly, the first test I did, that was like 700. Oh my. Oh, that is far. Oh my god, I can... Oh my. Oh. No. Okay. So that's how you do fast and slow blocks. Don't forget, check out my GitHub. I have this code in the file, just download it. You won't have this, but you will have this one over here. So when you have the file, you'll actually have this one. So yeah, please like, subscribe, share and comment, and if you subscribe, I'd really appreciate that, because you subscribing and doing all of those things and checking out my other videos, it really supports me to do more code. And don't forget to check my other channel. It's called Yusuf Plays. It's YU5UF, like this one, and then PL4AYZ. So yeah, thank you for watching.